welcome to the Astro. In this Python tutorial on Scipy, we are going to see the functioning of a zoom function, right, in the Scipy library. So basically, the zoom function is used for image and 2D area scaling, even though you can do for the 1D area scaling, and it can make your image zoom in or zoom out by a given zoom factor. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so for doing that, I will import some libraries. So import numpy as np, numpy at from scipy dot nd image import zoom. Okay, so this library you have imported. Now we can define 1D array. So define a 1D array, right? Okay, so give 1D array as x1d equal to np dot array, and I will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we have x1d as this one. Now I will zoom this array. Okay, so zoom this array. For that, right here, zoom 1D, and you can give here zoom function and give here function and see what it takes. So it will take your input array and the zoom parameter. Okay, for time being I will give here array as x1d and give a factor 2. Okay, so now print the zoom 1D array. So here you can see that your every array has been given the twice. Okay, the factor can simply go 3. You can see your every number is entered by 3 times. Okay, you can go to 0.5. See what it is doing. This way you can do. So just do a simple work. Go for 2 factors. Now use zoom function. Okay, for our 2D array, right? So I will define here x2d equal to np dot linear space 1 to 100, and then 100 number, and then I will reshape into. So I will reshape np dot reshape this array into row and column. So 10 okay, so 5 rows and 20 columns, right? So if you see here x2d dot shape, so here you can see that it has 5 rows and 20 columns, right? Now, and you can also okay, so now zoom this array. Okay, so zoom 2D array, see what it returns. So zoom 2D equal to zoom and give your x2d and give a factor by 2, right? And return zoom 2D. So maybe you can print the shape, right? So shape you can see. So earlier my shape is 520. Now it has a scale. Okay, so it's a 10 and 40. Okay, so you can make it say 3, right? So basically your column and rows get like multiple of your zoom factor. Okay, so here 4 is zoom factor, right? This way you can do the zooming. Okay, you can also check it like x your x2d. So x2d is this, right? And after that you can print your zoom 2d. So how it appears, you can see, right? Now we use a zoom function to images. Okay, so here I will read an image. So from astropy.input output import fits, right? And then get image data, right? So image data you can see here, image equal to fits dot get data, right? And can give my file name, say, so a file name, and plot this image. So plt dot im show image, it. What is mistake? There should be fits. PLT is not defined, so define a PLT also. So import the Matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT, right? So here you can see that you have an image, right? So image has a dimension. Maybe you can make it origin lower, or right. So you have image of size. So you can see here image dot shape. So you have image of size 500 into 1100. Okay, rows and column, right? So now what if you zoom this image? So let's zoom this image. Okay, so zoom this image. So for that, type here zoom image variable and hit zoom, and then you have image variable by a factor of 2, right? And see, now searching the same. Okay, so zoom image dot shape, right? So see, this time your row and columns have been doubled. Okay, hundred, right? Maybe you can compare it by giving origin equal to lower. So origin equal to lower. Now maybe you have to give that parameter here, not here. So give here origin equal to lower, right? Then you can compare. Okay, so here you can see that your this object is between so here you can see the object is between 100 and 200, and here this object has been scaled to your around 4 times. It is above 500 pixels, right? So this object is around below 200, then this object is below 750. This way you can rescale your images. Okay, maybe I can do more. You can, if you put your log in p.log in p.log 13 of image, then you can visualize in a more good way. Okay, put here in p.log 10. Okay, so image log 10 there. Okay, so here you can see that there is a shape of object in the pixel space. Okay, you can see it's going up to 1000, but here it is going up to 4000, right? So this way you can visualize your image using a zoom factor, right? So I hope you got the idea that how to use a zoom function for your 1D array, 2D array, and image. You can also make this factor as a 0.5. Let's see what it is giving. See, now your image as less pixel, right? Make it 0.25. See, you can see your pixel is getting a decrease. Okay, you have like only the same. You have only 125 and 275 pixels in your image. This way you can do it using a zoom parameter. So I hope you got the idea that how to use zoom function for 1D array, 2D array, and images. So thank you.